All right, welcome back to Get Out the House, Go Fish. Today we're at Dee Dee Bartels boat ramp. Check it out here. Haven't been here in quite some time. I think last time I came here, I launched the kayak here and I pedaled down past Fort Clinch Fort. We'll go by there. But we're gonna take the boat out to the jetties out there. The pier was there back in 2016. They tore it down because Matthews, when the Hurricane Matthews came in, it tore it up, and so they went through and tore the whole pier out, and so there's no more pier there. So anyway, we're going to try our luck out there today, see what we can do. Katie's with me. That's another good thing about this boat ramp's got a restroom right over there. Little area we can, if you want to cook out, grill out when you get back, or just have a picnic right there, you can do that. Plenty of parking here. So anyway, we're gonna get the boat in the water, head past the fort, and head on to the jetties and see what we can do. I stopped off at the bait shop before coming here, and I got about 4 dozen shrimp and 2 blue crabs. They didn't have any fiddlers, so all right, we'll see what we can do today. All right.
The fish swim under us.
Yeah. Might be time for plan B. It's a little rough out here. I don't know if we're going to be able to tolerate this out here. It's a lot rougher than I thought it would be today. Coming out here right at an outgoing tide, but these swells out here are something else, I'm telling you. It's like, and right by these rocks is, I was hoping it was going to be a nice calm day, but so might have to go to plan B and go inshore more and find some docks and bridges to fish by and see how we do. Just checking out new areas. Never fished this spot before, but you never know. You know, it looks fishy like this. Lots of structure around here. There's current. So just hitting these points, and as a current comes around, and see if we get a hit. But if not, we'll move on. We'll stay here for a couple minutes. No bites, and we'll move on. This looks like it's been here a while, so. Let's see how. No bites on that shrimp though. I was surprised. Right there. Come on, come on. This is definitely better than being out by the jetties. Man, it was so bad out there. Now, if it was like this out there, nice and calm, oh, that would be the perfect situation right there. So maybe another day we'll take y'all out there and see on a calmer day. We'll keep trying. We'll keep going out there. Try new spots to fish. I'm not getting any hits right here, so I think we're gonna move. Half of a boat there. I guess they're scrapping that ship. Cool, just tearing it up. Little boat graveyard. Oh. Net. Oh, sheep's head. Oh, it's a drum. All right, it's a drum. All right, that's what I'm talking about. Ooh, skunk is at the boat this morning. Let's get the tape measure out and see what we got here.
Are you on spotlight?
Yeah, I'm on spotlight. Ooh, 13. Oh. All right, so he's so close. He's got to go back. Check him out. Woo! Oh, got him right through the nostril there, one of his nostrils. Ooh, ouch. He sucked that up. He's like, that smells good. Sucked it right up in there. Like, this smelling so good. Yeah. Well, that guy back in there. All right. All right, there we go. Let's get another one on there. Like I said, we're just fishing with shrimp. They didn't have no fiddlers, so yeah, no bad. I might have to go out and scavenge for some one day.
It's probably too cold.
Yeah. Definitely have to go out there and get some one day. There we go. Got him on my new sheep's head rod, the Perigee 2, and the Cast King Valiant Eagle 2000. Yep. All right. And what I did, I just threw it right up in there like that. Working that DW lure. Feels good when you get that skunk out the boat. Let's see if we get any sheepies down there. There's drums, so let's see if there's a sheepy. Something feels like it's hitting it. Go hit. She's fighting it. She's fighting it. Come on over here. What is that? Come over here. Come over here. A sea bass. Yeah. He's not wanting to give it up. Not wanting to give it up. Give me some slack. There we go. All right, that's a black sea bass. Right there. Yo, get out the house, go fish. That's it. All right. Got it on the Chris's combo. Oh, yeah. I sure will, baby. Put that guy in there like that. What the heck this is? Keep getting stuck. I think I got some rope or something down there. Broke off. So I picked up some of these sheep's head jig heads from Strike Zone. If you're here local, $7.99 for like how many's in there? There's like 15 in there. And if you're losing your jigs, they're excellent to use. So you don't have to be, especially around like docks and stuff, if you start losing your jigs. Those custom jigs cost some money. So anyway, I know it looks small, but they will catch some big fish. I've seen them catch some big ones, I'm telling you. Big reds, big sheep's head, I've seen it. Been right there, we brought them up, so this is a good jig head. I like this Perigee too, because, oh, it's really sensitive. Look at that blank, the way this is cut open. You can have your fingers right here and feel any type of a bite. That's what I like. This foam right here for your finger. Loving that. Just the way I hold my rod. Hey, that's what I'm talking about. She got something.
I don't know what it is, but I got
That's all right.
something.
Something big?
I don't know.
On your net?
Just because it's bent the rod don't mean it's big.
Another sea bass? That's a good one. Yeah, sea bass. That's a good size one. That might be a keeper, baby.
Don't get me all excited. It's gonna be 13. Is it crazy?
So I got your shrimp. Nice looking sea bass too. He's only 10.
Okay. Well, it's fun. Here's what I did, guys.
Looks all fishy up in here. Oh yeah. Looking good.
No one's in trouble.
Yes.
Are we even in trouble?
What are we gonna do? Leave? All they're gonna do is say leave if we can't fish this area. FYI, this is a secure area, authorized personnel only. Just us anglers. Oh yeah. She gonna get it. Look at that. Look at that. There you go. There you go. You got it? What is that? A little sea bass or something. Gotcha. Got your butt. All right, got it. Got it. That's a good one. That's a good one. It's coming up. It's a drum. Oh yeah. Got that drum. Poor man sheep's head. I know it's too small, but we're gonna measure it. 12 and a half. I think this will be it for this spot. We're gonna move over to the other side in this spot.
Buddy.
Yo, get out of the house, go fish. Yeah. All right, buddy. Back in the water he goes. Yeah, I saw this on Google Maps, and they wanting to fish it, so anyway, finally made it out here. We are at a new spot. We're gonna try to see what we can catch over here. Let's see if there's any big ones over here. You got something? Sure you got something? What is that? Yes.
Shiny little thing.
Yep. Right here. Oh, that's a fish. I threw it toward the rocks and got a fish. It's like a trout. Heck yeah, look at that. Woo! All right, let's see how big this trout is. Oh man, he's not a keeper. He's like 14 and a half. Here we go.
They can't get me.
So I can get him. Got the trout. All right. There he goes. So, all right. Let's see what else we can catch. All right, I switched over to my estuary, casting inshore estuary rod here with the Mad Bites Ned rig on there. Extra wide gap with a shrimp. Just kind of see what we can get right here. Man. Oh, you got something. What is that? What is that? Oh, it might be a little bluefish. Might be. It looks like a little bluefish. Oh. Look for something. There you go. Ooh. Got a little bite, a little nip. Something liked it. It's 18 foot right here. Are you serious? I guess it liked it. I don't know, but it was a flounder. Wow. That's a weird hit. I was like, that's a weird hit. It just oh yeah. All right. Let's see how big this guy is. He is inches. 16, right at 16. Yep. He is a keeper, but we're not keeping anything today. Check him out. Get out the house, go fish. Nice 16-inch flounder. All right.
Very nice.
goes. All right. Right here, that dark cloud. It's gotten a little colder, bites turned off, and so I think we're gonna head on back. I had a good day out in the water, and uh-oh. Did I lose my signal here? What am I? Oh, my GPS became disconnected, and I'm like floating. Okay, there we go. I must have hit the button by accident or something. I don't know. Anyway, caught some fish today, no keepers, and we weren't going to keep anything today. We were just kind of exploring the area and seeing how well we would do in a new area, and trying to find some new spots to fish. So definitely found a few spots, and we were hoping of hooking at least a few sheep's head today, but a loud truck. But didn't hook any. So but we got the puppy drums, we got the trout, no reds today, but
Flounder.
and a flounder, that's right. Had a good day fishing today. Definitely enjoyed the day out here fishing with my girl Katie, and so we're gonna what?
Sorry, I'm having a snack.
She having a fruit snack. So anyway, we're gonna head back to the boat ramp, get loaded up, and then yeah, hopefully we don't get wet on the way back. And then that's worse, cold and wet. So all right,
Right now.
if y'all haven't yet, please hit that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and y'all be sure to get out the house and go fish. All right.